Many times when we're doing research for classes, we will be working on topics that are somewhat controversial. It could be that you have to write an essay defending a certain argument or even conducting a debate in class. Either way, the opposing viewpoints is one of the best places to look for this type of information. From any of the LibGuides where this search app appears, you can enter your topic directly into the window to get your results, or simply click on the icon itself to go to its home page. If you're working from a remote location, you'll be prompted to put in our one-word password, which will take you right to the home page. Once you're here, you can scroll through different issues right on the front page. There's always a featured video that you can check out, and there's always current news articles here as well. If you go to the Browse Issues page, it's going to give you this big alphabetical list of all types of controversial topics that people are currently looking at. When you look at the list, you might say some of them, well, what's controversial about coal, or what's controversial about a certain country. And sometimes it's not just a black and white issue, or a yes or no type question. It's really the controversy comes in how we deal with other countries, or how we deal with these particular topics. So, for example, we may want to take a look at, let's go to the Boston Marathon bombings, a recent event. The first thing it will do is always give you the topic overview. And to find out exactly what went on, you would click the View More button so that you have a complete overview and understanding about the full issue before you go forward with your research. Keep in mind that the source citation is always given at the bottom of each article, and you can always elect to listen to any of these articles as well, which is a pretty cool feature. If you go back to the main topic list, then it's going to give you the featured viewpoints. And you're going to see that the viewpoints for most of the topics are going to give different types of perspectives. And so that's a great way to go about that search. Let's go back to Browse Issues. And this time I'm going to take a look at, let's go to Athletes and Sports. Again, we're at the topic overview, and now we come down to featured viewpoints and another 110 viewpoints as well. So here we see varying degrees and beliefs on the role that athletes should play in our society. Are they role models? Do they have certain advantages? So on and so forth. So it really brings up various topics. I can also go to the other resources simply by clicking. So if I wanted videos, I can simply go to the video page. The full videos are there for me. Or I could jump to statistics. And these are pretty great. All right, so let's see. Let's take a look at this table. Compare statistics from different athletic associations at the collegiate level. So there's all kinds of great things there. Of course, I could always simply search for my topic in the search window as well. One other feature that the opposing viewpoints has that many of our other search apps doesn't is this little maps feature. So if you click on the maps icon, it will go to an alphabetical list of all types of topics. So notice the first one by default is AIDS, and it comes up here showing us that there are different degrees in statistics for each one. So simply by hovering over the state, I can get those statistics. I can go through the whole list. As you can see, there's many topics here. So let's take a look at, let's go to censorship. And this is incidents of books banned and challenged in schools and libraries from 2007 to 2010. You can tell from the shading what the degree of banning was in that particular state. So Texas had 8 incidents, Pennsylvania had 4, and so on. So you can get an idea. The maps are a really cool interactive way to gather information for your projects. So that's just a very quick overview of the Opposing Viewpoints search app.